Welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda Fury Chopper. This bike has been turning heads with its sleek design and powerful performance. Let's explore what makes this model stand out in the chopper segment. Design and aesthetics. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Honda Fury boasts an elongated, low-slung chassis that embodies the classic chopper look. With its striking lines and bold color options, this bike commands attention. The tank design is more aerodynamic, giving it a modern twist while staying true to its roots. The attention to detail in the chrome accents enhances its visual appeal, making it a perfect choice for those who love aesthetics. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Fury is powered by a robust 1312cc V-twin engine, delivering impressive torque and horsepower. This engine ensures a smooth ride whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. With an upgraded fuel injection system for 2025, riders can expect improved throttle response and fuel efficiency, making longer rides more enjoyable. Handling and comfort. When it comes to handling, the Fury excels. The bike features a single-sided swing arm that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves stability and cornering. The comfortable seat and forward controls allow for a relaxed riding position, ideal for long journeys. Coupled with a lightweight frame, the Fury feels nimble and responsive even in tight spots. Technology and features. The 2025 Honda Fury isn't just about looks and power, it's equipped with modern technology as well. The bike features a digital display that provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel levels, and trip data. Advanced safety features, like ABS and traction control, ensure a secure ride, giving you peace of mind on any adventure. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Honda Fury Chopper is a remarkable blend of classic styling, modern performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the chopper scene, this bike promises an exhilarating experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bike Buzzin' channel, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Fury.